Hey guys, let's talk about resistance. I love resistance. I love how much people abhor resistance because I think resistance is the most fabulous thing. It's like contrast. It's the only way to know happiness is to feel unhappy. The only way to know what love is to know what not feeling loved is, right? It's the same thing. To know how good it feels to take care of you. Yeah, complete sweat right after my run. So forgive me as I catch my breath. The only way to know and see resistance, there's my walking buddy. There's my mom. I go for a run. She comes walking with me after. I take her walking and she takes me walking. But the bottom line is resistance. It's resistance. Resistance is feedback. Resistance is showing you gaps. Resistance is your path to freedom. It's in the resistance that you have all your answers. Do the opposite of what you've done and you'll become who you've wanted to be. Do the opposite of what you've done and you'll become who you want to be. Step into the resistance to release the fear. Check in with the resistance, and instead of going, oh, I'm resisting that today, what's wrong with me? This is wrong with me, that is wrong with me, I'm upset with me, I'm mad at me, I can't, blah, 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 I'm sabotaging myself. Stop analyzing it. Get out of your beautiful mind, get into your body. Your mind's only going to keep you stuck, and get into action. Step into the resistance. Do the opposite of what you've done, as I've shared in a previous video. So if you want more of that, go over to my channel and check it out. But we want to step into the resistance and be a loving observer and understand that your resistance is a roadmap to your success. And checking into your resistance is actually showing you where the gap is in your thinking. It's not going, oh yeah, I'm resisting this, therefore I'm not meant to do it. It's like, oh, wherein lies my fear? In this lies my fear in the unknown, right? Because your soul always knows what is needed for you, and it's always directing you. It's our job to listen. I hope this spoke to you. Let me know in the comments below. Much love.